Sayang na sayang talaga, di ba? Sayang as in super sayang. But anyway, congratulations to the newly crowned Miss Universe Philippines 2021. Pero, bakit nga ba hindi pinagpalad si Kisses Delavigne? Ano kaya ang mga reasons why? So, tatalakayin natin yan dito sa vlog na to. Ayan. Alam nyo, hi everybody! So, my name is Anthony and in this vlog, we are going to discuss 5 reasons why Kisses Delavigne did not win Miss Universe Philippines 2021. And ang dami nang hihinayang, isa din ako doon na bakit hindi siya nanalo. Ang ganda ng kanyang transition and talagang nakakagulat dahil wow, bongga. She has a very versatile na look in which yung mga nega napabilib talaga sa kanya. So, in this vlog, we are now going to start with the first reason. So, ang unang-una sa lahat is all about the experience. Alam natin na well-experienced si Kisses Delavigne sa larangan ng pageantry, but syempre, sumali na siya sa PBB and naging celebrity na siya. Tapos, parang hindi na niya tinuloy yung gusto niya talagang gawin na ipagpatuloy yung kanyang pagsali sa beauty pageants. So, ayun guys, nakita natin yung parang sweet form niya na nag-transition talaga ngayon sa in different style, in different modes. So, experience-wise, parang yes, meron siyang experience pero hindi niya in-expect na ganun ka competitive ang pageantry because Philippines is one of the few consistent na countries in the world na nagpe-place tayo year by year sa mga major pageants around the world such as Miss Universe, Miss World, Miss International, ayan, Miss Earth, so Miss Grand International, Miss Supranational, ayan, Miss Intercontinental, tapos yung mga bago pang mga pageants. And syempre nakakagulat na very competitive ang Pilipinas because it has been our long tradition since our mga ancestors na may pageant talaga tayo even way back centuries ago. And yes, experience talaga ang nakikita kong isang reason dahil veterana yung mga kasama niya and talagang nakita niyo naman na very finesse na yung kanilang galaw, yung kilos, yung competitive formula is nasa perfection. More trainings pa kay Kisses. Syempre, ngayon lang siya nag-ensayo, ngayon lang siya nag-enroll sa isa sa mga well-respected beauty pageant training camps in the Philippines, even in the world, because kinikilala na ngayon yung mga beauty pageant na camps dito sa Pilipinas as one of the best in the world. So, ayan, more trainings pa for Kisses if she still wishes to join sa future pageants after Miss Universe Philippines. It's because the competition is really very high. Mataas talaga yung standard ng beauty pageantry competition, especially kapag taga-Pilipinas ka. As in, lahat perfect. Dapat perfect because para ma-maintain natin yung parang yung level of competitiveness natin sa ibang countries. O, diba? So, ayan, more training sa kanya, catwalk, pero din sa Q&A, okay na yung Q&A niya, but syempre, more trainings pa because hindi lang naman sa pagsagot, pwede din naman sa the way she socialize, yung cultural understanding with other cultures, norms, tradition, ayun. So, she must also learn how to apply, understand, and appreciate yung mga other cultures. Yun yung isa sa mga tinuturo din sa mga candidates, especially sa mga pinapasabak sa international competition. And now sa third reason is that yung mga ibang candidates talaga is makikita mo na sila yung talaga pinagpala na yung prototype of a certain candidate to win a national pageant. Nakikita mo na sa kanila eh. So, ito yung candidate talaga na pinagpala. So, it's really her time today. Yung stars talaga is na-align sa kanyang destiny as the newly crowned Miss Universe Philippines 2021. And hindi natin maipagkakaila na it is really her time to shine and to show the world na Philippines must have another placement for Miss Universe Philippines or Miss Universe 2021 na I think gaganapin sa Israel. And yes, napaka-competitive na mga ibang candidates na kasama ni Kisses because alam natin na well-prepared sila years back pa. So, mas marami silang experience, mas marami silang trainings na undergo. So, alam mong hasang-hasa na talaga sila. Yung, alam mo yon na sharpen talaga yung mind nila, yung the way they walk, the way they balance their pageantry composition. And yes, very, very talagang palaban ang mga kapwa niyang candidates from other provinces or even other cities. Yung pang-fourth naman is yung kanyang pagiging celebrity status. So, lately lang kasi niya, although, yes, we cannot say na ngayon lang siya nag-decide, alam natin na matagal na niyang pinaplano na sumali siya sa pageant. However, ngayon lang siya ngayon lang talaga niya tinupad yung kanyang plan to participate a certain pageant because last year, yung mga previous years, marami siyang projects, marami siyang tapings, marami siyang mga shoots, kaya wala talaga siyang time para ipagpatuloy niya yung kanyang pageantry dream. And yes, syempre, we are so proud of her na pinursue niya talaga yung isa sa mga kanyang dream to join pageantry. And medyo nahirapan siyang mag-transition from being a celebrity to a pageantera because ibang-iba talaga kapag celebrity ka na mag-transition into pageantry because hindi mo talaga ina-expect na ganito ka-competitive ang mag-join sa isang pageant. Especially if you are gunning for national beauty pageant. Medyo challenging talaga yan because ang mga makakalaban mo talaga is other candidates na well-experienced, mga veterana, well-trained, tapos nag-represent na sa Philippines sa international competition. So there is really a huge pressure sa kanyang shoulder na nag-transition from a celebrity to a pageant contestant. So isa yun sa mga reason, parang ang bilis ng pangyayari. So yun guys, yung isang reason. But of course, please don't hate me for this. Syempre, we are titingnan natin yung angles dahil as a pageant competitor, marami ka talagang i-consider before deciding and participating a certain pageant. And then, yung versatility. So, this relates sa kanyang celebrity status. Kumbaga ngayon is kulang yung time para tignan kung ano pa yung mga ibang pwedeng i-transition sa kanya. Nakita natin na from sweetness, from a sweet girl to a fierce queen. So, nakita natin na ganun yung transition niya, which is nakaka-impress. It's because bagay na bagay sa kanya yung timpla ng makeup sa kanya. Although, yung mga fans sa kanya as a celebrity, hindi sanay because hindi sila nasanay na maging pageantera siya. So, parang iba yung reaction. Maninibago ka talaga kung nasanay ka na yung setup ni Kisses is very sweet, charming, innocent, to a very fierce queen. So, yes, I understand na hindi talaga sanay yung iba. It's because first time nila makita si Kisses na sumali sa pageant. And it is a national pageant. So, ayan guys, versatility. Parang there is more versatile na styles na gusto ko pang makita sa kanya because iba-iba talaga yung pwede natin gawin sa kanya na parang kulang yung time. And yes, don't hate me for this again. But syempre, Kisses has that oriental na beauty na isa din sa mga qualities ng isang Pinay. And For me, given sa 5 reasons na nakita ko sa kanya, I would like to congratulate Kisses Delavin because she is also a very competitive queen. And if given a chance, I would like to see her again in other pageants. Or kung gusto niya ulit sumali sa Miss Universe Philippines sa 2022, why not? O, di ba? The comebacking girl. And pwede din naman siyang sumali sa mga ibang national beauty pageants in which she could also explore kung ano nga ba yung mga iba pang timpla as a national pageant contender. So, yes, I do believe more pa ang pwedeng mangyari kay Kisses Delavin for continuing her endeavor as a pageantera queen. So, yes, I would like to request for her to join another pageant para naman fulfill niya talaga yung dream niya to become a beauty queen and to represent the Philippines sa international beauty pageants. And once again, congratulations to Kisses Delavin and of course sa newly crowned Miss Universe Philippines 2021 for giving a job well done. Kaya guys, if you want more pageant reviews from me, mag-subscribe lang kayo dito sa channel ko and you can also reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter, The Story of Anthony. So, keep safe everyone. Huwag labas ng labas, mag-wear ng mask, mag-hand washing, and mag-face shield. Mwah!